seen like it before. I'm thinking I could lead an army where there's no such thing as war. Raising my flag all over town, drummers drumming down the street, dancers dancing to the beat. And I feel like I could fly. And I feel the music running through my mind. Oh, I never see it coming, always gotta keep on running on. Oh, I never see it coming, always gotta keep on running on.
Here we go. Here we go.
So about this part of the flight, I realized there's a strong headwind because I was hardly moving. About here is when I started climbing out so I can start heading back. and that's when I got hit with some turbulent wind. After realizing how strong of a headwind I had, I decided it'd be the smartest option to just land in that field. So after fighting the wind, I managed to land slightly crosswind. It wasn't the best landing, but it was better than crashing and having to buy new parts for my paramotor, or even worse, being hurt myself. In conclusion, it's always smart to have an emergency landing spot in mind at all times while flying. This will ensure a safe flight, more or less. Also, that's the end of the video, so thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please like and subscribe for more epic content. Peace.